Hello guys, how are you? Carol Bless is back again with another new video. And today's video I'm just going to do my house chores and I'm going to do my laundry this morning. How are you? Good morning. Mko aje watu wangu? Hope mmeamka poa, Mungu amewalinda. Thank you guys for those who have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you. And if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing. If this is your very first time to see this new face here, kindly consider subscribing. That is the only way you can support this girl, by subscribing. Thank you guys. Let's do this.
Dikura dora gione ando wanyone gwa muri atheni ona iria cianda nithina ucio yo koimerera ku
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want this channel to grow. Oh, it is free. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.